When it comes to whipping up dishes with a real wow factor, few items can deliver as simply and easily as ceviche. But don't let the exotic names scare you away. This one is a breeze once you know just how easy it is to make. Foxhole Culinary Tavern in Austin serves up some serious eats.
Oh, wow.
We love coming out here. We always have a good time.
You'll always have good food, too, thanks to the executive chef, Cosme Cavazos. He created many of Foxhole's colorful dishes, including the Salmon Ceviche Tostada. So it's going to be fresh, vibrant,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
has fruit, which I think is kind of a fun twist.
That's
We're
the
going a
fun
little
twist.
tropical.
Yes.
Ceviche is fresh fish that's cured in citrus juice, so it's not raw like sushi, but it's not cooked either. The cured fish is tossed with peppers, onions, cilantro, avocado, and anything else you might want to throw in there.
So we start with some salmon.
All right. It's a simple prep, combining sliced Scottish salmon with a shot of lime vinaigrette, a little bit of fresh kiwi, cucumber, and diced poblano peppers. For a little heat. Then, something I've never had in ceviche, fresh strawberries. Look how pretty that is. That is beautiful. And for an extra kick, habanero sea salt. Habanero sea salt. Can I try it?
Yes.
Oh man, I think I'm sweating now. It's mixed with cilantro and orange juice. Pile it all on crispy corn tostadas, and you've got one memorable meal. Let's have another. Thankfully, this one's easy enough to whip up at home. You can find this recipe and other ceviche recipes at goodtaste.tv. Search ceviche. Next, we're whipping up another specialty in San Antonio, where the folks at Costa Pacifica teach us how to make tiradito, a bit of a twist on traditional ceviche. Tantalizing, mouth-watering bites are what you'll find on Costa Pacifica's vibrant menu, brimming with light and flavorful ceviches.
This one is called the jalapeno ceviche.
Ooh.
It's a kick. And then we have the tiradito a la diabla. So it's very spicy than this one. Yeah.
It's good.
So good that I wanted to learn how to make one of these fresh fish dishes at home, like this pretty Tostada Matona.
So the first thing we add this is called fish tiradito. So the difference between a ceviche and a tiradito is that this one is cooked twice as long.
Firmer.
Firmer and a little bit, it's not as juicy as a ceviche.
Next, add onions, cilantro, and cucumber, and one of Costa Pacifica's signature sauces.
Just the right amount of
Even
spiciness.
with the pepper? I mean, if I take...
Oh yeah, if you get the pepper, it might be spicy.
I'll go for it.
Medium plus, super spicy? Yeah, okay.
You may be talking the rest of the time. Okay. Mayo on a crisped corn tostada helps cool down the heat. Then, on goes the tiradito mixture and a sliced avocado. Cheers. It's fantastic. What's not to love about ceviche? You don't even need to heat up the oven. We've collected lots of ceviche recipes over the years. You can find them all at goodtaste.tv.